Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone 17 in two different ways. So let's get started. Now, first method I'm going to show you is you're going to want to quickly press and release volume up, volume down very quickly, one after another, and then hold down this big side button. So you're going to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down. Then you're going to hold down this big side button just like that, and you're going to keep on holding. Just keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. At that time, you'll let go of that side button that I'm holding down and then let go. This is basically force rebooting your phone. Basically shuts down the phone software, turns it off completely, and then restarts it again. This method will not delete any of your data on your phone. And I'm going to show you another method where you don't have to do all of this. If you are using Siri, so in your setting, under Apple Intelligence, talk or type to Siri, if you have either of these selected, you can get Siri to reboot your iPhone. Simply say a command like this: "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone." Yes. And essentially by saying, "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone," and then confirming it, will also go ahead and reboot it by itself without having to use the buttons as I did in the first step. So that's how you reboot your iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.